Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Instagram Super Zoom. So Super Zoom been around for a while, but now they has just added a lot of more options to it. Before it was only 4 options, but now there are 10. I wanted to show you how to use each and every single in this video. It's really for first time here, so without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram mobile application. Scroll down to the left, and here you will see the stickers of the Instagram. You have to swipe to all of the stickers and you have to go to the last one named as browse effects. So you simply have to tap on that. Now it will open up the Instagram camera. So at the right left you will see the option of search. You will have to tap on that, and now here you have to search for super zoom. After that, the Instagram filter with the super zoom will be appear. So you have to select any of the filter that you want. Only tap on that filter and then the filter will be applied. So in order to take a picture or a video, simply tap on the screen and now you will be able to use this effect. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.